Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan. Today I will show you how to offload apps so you can use your space without losing any of your apps documents or data. For this I will be using Clash of Clans, which is a game. So I'm gonna open up this game and show you that it is working perfectly fine. There's nothing new here. All the builders are busy, clan games will be starting. So this is an example how I'm gonna offload this app, and I will show you that you can save some space, and whenever you reinstall this app, all of the data will be saved, including the login information and all of the documents related to this app. First of all, go to your settings, go to general, and go to iPhone storage. Here you can manually offload your apps. All you need to do is select an app. For this I will be selecting Clash of Clans app. Here we are given two options, offload app and delete app. So we do not want to delete the app, so we can use it later, but we're gonna offload this app. This will delete the app without deleting your documents and data, so everything will be fine when you reinstall the app. So now as you can see, we are given the install icon right before the name of the game, Clash of Clans. Well, I'm also going to show you can offload other apps, like here are all the apps that you can offload. For example, I will be offloading this Facebook app, which is costing me 319 MBs with its document and data about 73.8, which is very less. Now you can see I've got some free space here. This is how you can manually offload app without having your apps offloaded by the App Store. Also, if you want to change the settings and want the offloading to be done automatically, it can also be done. So as you can see, I have offloaded 3 apps live of YouTube, Facebook and Clash of Clans. Now I'm going to reinstall the app. Simply just let's make a folder so I can see which of the apps I have offloaded. So I'm gonna rename the folder right here, offloaded apps. Offload. Yeah, that will do the trick. Okay, here are 3 apps that I uploaded and which were causing me a lot of data, storage. Simply just select on it and the app will start downloading itself automatically, like I am. But on iPhone you can download multiple apps at the same time, I've been led to believe, and also it is now confirmed. Okay, now let's wait for it to download the apps and install them. I'm gonna speed up this process so you can see it gently. Yep, I know I have a really slow internet connection. Now let's open up YouTube. It is like it was never deleted. It was simply uploaded and you can reinstall the YouTube app. Everything is logged in, all the information about my channel or my Google account, everything is working correctly without anything changing, just like it was before. Okay, now Clash of Clans is installed. Let's open it up and see if my login information is still safe or not. Yep, this is how it's gonna work. Yep, the first startup is a little bit slow because the app is freshly installed, but it will come around. Okay, now it has signed me as my account and everything is just like I left. There's nothing changed here, which means my data and documents are pretty much safe. Now let's wait for Facebook and see how that gonna work. Okay, Facebook is now installed. Let's open it up and see. Yep, my login information is safe. It was never changed. I am logged in, which means nothing is changing. It is just simply deleting the app data itself and not removing anything. Everything is just safe. So now I'm gonna show you how to do it automatically if you do not want to do it manually, simply just go to your iPhone storage, and here if it is automatically disabled, simply enable it so it can automatically offload the apps. And also if you want to do it manually, which is what I recommend, I do not intend to use the automatically one, I want to use it manually, so I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work out. So to disable automatically offloading apps, go to your settings, go to your app store, and scroll down. Here you will see offload unused apps. Simply just turn it off and it will no longer automatically offload the apps when your iPhone is running low on storage. But if you want to do it manually, simply go to your settings, general, in your iPhone storage. You can manually offload the apps that you do not want to use right now, but simply download it again later and use it like they were never deleted. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.